Alright, so this is the progress on the car so far. The bumper's been repaired and some of the spots where it had damage. The two new fenders are right here. These are brand new because I couldn't fix, there was too much rust I couldn't really fix on the other ones, so I just decided to replace them and get brand new ones. Over here, he's just getting the car ready for primer. I had to repair the quarter panel on this side because it was damage from the prior owner. Just masking it off. All the door frames are out because we had to take the belt moldings off and everything. We had to take the door handles off, the trim, the molding, basically everything, just to be able to paint up to the line here. Some repair on the hood. It's not too bad. The engine has already been done. I resealed most of that and changed all the belts, timing belts, water pump, thermostat, all the the drive belt, pretty much anything that was a 100K service has been done. Some new coolant. I just need to do an oil change. I haven't done that yet. I'll do that when I'm done. I got a new windshield. So that's the repair on this side. Let's go see the other side now. There's a little bit of repair on the trunk. And some rust repair down here. Just a little tiny bit there. Some dents in the door were fixed. And yeah, that's pretty much the progress. There was a little bit of damage on these doors, but I'm mostly repainting them because of whoever painted it before. If you can see, it's not the best quality paint, not the best quality job, so I'm doing it all over again because I can't stand looking at that. And then got some rock repair here, rock chip repair here. I gotta remove the antenna still. That's actually pretty easy. There's an access panel right through that little light. Just too bad. Most of the trunk has been dismantled too, taken apart. So put that here so my trunk doesn't close. I can't really open it because the battery's been disconnected. And now we're just masking off for prep and paint. A little bit of damage in the rockers, not too bad. One of the door moldings has just had like a minor scratch or ding on it here, so it's not too bad. It turned out pretty good. There's just a big gouge in here that's kind of gone now. You can't feel it anymore, so you should be able to see that when we're fixed. But that's the progress so far. Should be primed by the end of today, and then we should be ready for paint in a couple of days, and this guy should be ready pretty soon.